Hello everyone, welcome to this session of the ATEN Expert Talk. My name is David. I'm a product manager in ATEN, and I'm responsible for the professional audio and video product lines. And in this session, I'm going to introduce the Atech product VE1843, which is a video extender. And I think before I go into the introduction of this product, I would like to ask you questions. Okay, let's take a look at the first slide. And I think in the first slide, there are two scenarios in the slide. At the left-hand side, it's a public area. It's a picture of the public area, and normally like a shopping mall or department store. And when you go into the shopping mall or department store, you will see a lot of monitors, and the monitors brings very fancy advertisement. And also in a conference room, normally in a conference room, you will see in front of the conference room there will be a projector and or a TV to display the presenter screen or presentation files. Yeah. And have you ever think about just like when you are in a shopping mall, how this video, this fancy, beautiful, high quality videos deliver and display on this TV? Actually, sometimes in this kind of large area, video source is far away from those TV or displays. So actually you need to have a way to transmit the high quality video from the video source to the TV. So that is the purpose of our product VE1843. It's a video extender. It can help you to deliver those video up to 100 meters. So the VE1843 is based on the HDBaseT 3.0 technology. Actually, there are many ways to do the video extenders. Just like you can leverage the equalizer or some over IP solution, you can compress and encode this video and transmit to long distance and then decode it. But with the HDBaseT 3.0 technology, you can transfer uncompressed video and with a very simple Cat6a network cable. Furthermore, the cable can transmit not only the video signal, but also the audio, USB, Ethernet, and some control signals such as the IR or the RS232 control signal. So if I wanna say this or VE1843, I wouldn't just claim it is a video extender. It's a 5-in-1 signal extender. So this is the specification. I don't list all of them, but some key points. The VE1843 is based on the HDBaseT 3.0 technology. So it's a transceiver. Transceiver means it can be a transmitter or a receiver. There is a dip switch on the VE1843. You just switch the dip switch, and then you can make it as a transceiver or receiver. And it supports HDMI 2.0, deep color, and of course 4K 60 Hz 444. It can extend uncompressed video up to 100 meters. Maybe you have no idea about the 100 meters. It is just like a 33 floor high distance. So it can also support the USB 2.0 gigabit Ethernet signal. Of course, just like what I mentioned before, it can support transmit IR and also bidirectional RS232 signal. You may ask why you need to transmit such a lot of different signal in a single cable. And later on, I have a real case in Japan. And in this real case, I think you would understand how convenient the VE1843 can bring you. And it also building with the HDMI audio embed and the embed function. So when you are in a meeting room or in a classroom, you have a microphone, so the audio can embed into the HDMI signal, and your voice and the video can be displayed on the TV. Of course, we support audio embed function. So there is an audio output port. So when you have a video, the video going to the VE1843, the audio can be extracted to the speaker. So the audience can hear very, very clear voice. And it supports individual stereo audio channel bypass function. And the last one is, it is a fanless design. And actually, fanless design is quite important, especially for this kind of product. Because normally, this kind of product will be high in the ceiling or in the wall. And so the environment temperature may affect the performance of this kind of product. If you have a product with fan, that means you need the help from the fan to make the system cooler. But with the fanless product, you don't need this kind of fan. And the point is, fan is a failure point because there is a life cycle for the fan. So sometimes maybe 1 year or 2 years. So if accidentally the fan is broken, your product will be running in a very high temperature environment. So that's why fanless design is quite important for us. So we made this VE1843 with fanless. Okay, so let's go into the real case. It is a real case in Japan. This is a school, and I think it is a hybrid classroom application. Because of the COVID-19. So many school teachers, they have to teach their class for those in-class students and also the remote students. So let's see the hybrid classroom. In this kind of a hybrid classroom, teachers stand in front of the stage, and there may be whiteboard or blackboard anyway. And in the class, they need a PTZ camera. The camera will capture all the writing or the teacher's action in front of the stage. And sometimes the class is very big, so there will be a TV hang on the ceiling, and the PTZ camera will display everything on the TV. And at the meantime, the PTZ camera also need to deliver the video and audio to the PC on the stage because they need a video conference software to deliver it for those students they are staying in the home. Of course, there must be speaker in the classroom. And for this kind of scenario, the VE1843 can help to build up this scenario with just single Cat6a cable. And just like in the picture at the left-hand side, the VE1843 is a transceiver. It can receive the signal from the PTZ camera, video and audio. And also, sometimes the PTZ camera may support deliver the video signal via the HDMI interface and also USB. So the HDMI signal goes through the Cat6a cable to the receiver side and can be displayed on the TV. And another video can also deliver via the USB signal. Same only goes through the single Cat6a cable and to the computer. And of course, the audio can be embedded to the speakers. So in this scenario, there are 5 different signals need to be transmitted for a long distance. But in this environment, only single Cat6a cable is required. And I think it is a very, very typical scenario for the class, especially in the COVID-19 in the post-COVID-19 era. Many teachers they need to do this kind of instruction for their students. Those students are at school and some students are at home. Okay, for ATEN, the VE1843 is a video extender. It is based on the HDBaseT technology, but actually ATEN has participated the HDBaseT organization since 2013. So actually we have a lot of more HDBaseT, more products based on the HDBaseT technology. No matter what you have seen over here, the video extender, the KVN extender, which can extend the keyboard video mouse signal for long distance. Of course, we have other more HDBaseT products such as presentation switchers and a video matrix. It can help you to build up a more complicated scenario, just like a video wall or in a big conference room. So this is the introduction about the VE1843. And remember, we don't just have the video extender, but also a lot of more HDBaseT products. Okay, so if you are interested in any of our solution, you are welcome to contact our sales. And thanks for watching the video today. And remember, HDBaseT VE1843 can transmit up to 100 meters and can transmit uncompressed video. Thanks for your watching.